Welcome. This is the cups and balls, a classic of Magic. Then there's two solid silver cups that can go right through each other. Watch. Like that, right? This trick also requires two little red balls. See? Right there. And here's what you do. Set them right on the table. You show both cups are empty, okay? You show this cup is empty, and you take the ball, take the ball and drop it right through the cup. Just like that. Just try it again. Take it one more time, drop it right through. Just like that. You take away one of the balls, take it and place it in your hand, right? See the ball? Goes away and goes back under it. Like that. Just like that. And you have two cups and two balls. You take the first ball, place it in my hand, and it goes away. And you take the second ball, just like that. You take it, place it in your hand, it goes away. Where do they go? Back under the cups. Now you take this ball and place it in here, and take this ball and place it in here. What happens? The two balls change places! No one ever likes that part. I wonder why. You put this in here, you put this in here, just like that. And what happens now is really incredible. You shake, it goes away, and goes into this cup. Just like that. Make sense? Good. Here's what happens now. Alright, you set them out like this. What you do is you set the cups like this, and you show the two balls. You take the first ball and you place it away. Place it in your pocket. It'll go away. Take the second ball and take it and put it in your pocket. What happens? They jump back under the cups. Just like that, right? You can take it all day long, put it away all day long. No matter what you do, they'll always jump back under the cups. Just like that. It's a pretty cool loop. You set this ball here. So the ball jumps back in this one. You set this ball here. What happens is very incredible. This is my favorite part of the whole trick. You take the two balls, right? You place them both in your pockets. They go away. Now you're probably thinking that the ball will jump back into the cups. You're wrong. Because the jump back into the cups were lines. The two lines. Two cups, two balls, two lines. The cups and balls.